everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Killer truck, guys. Story behind this truck, somebody started to restore this truck, like what happens to a lot of them, thousands and thousands of dollars in. Somebody says, holy mackerel, I thought I could do this cheap. They find out it cost a ton of money to restore these vehicles. They never finished it. So the next person bought it. They spent thousands of dollars and completed it. Killer truck. It sounds like it was completed around 2018, 2019. Love the color combination. This is a teal metallic. It's got a two-tone teal and white interior in it. This truck looks like it belongs cruising the coast of California. Just a killer truck. Really pretty color combo. Hits the road great. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. There's a couple little blemishes you'll find in the paint, but really slick truck. All new glass. Pretty truck. Yeah, and you can see a couple little touch-up marks. Got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, all new glass. It's a neat color combo. It's got the optional trim. Oak bed. It's got the custom fuel tank in there. It's all steel truck. This is a great body style. Love the color, man. I mean, the color is beautiful. Now, these are brand spanking new wheels and tires. They did just change the wheels and tires. Those are Tech 9 Billet Specialties with brand new rubber all the way around it. Those are 20s. Boy, isn't that a good looking truck? Man, it's pretty. It's got the Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes on it. So unique. I mean, this thing just pops. Truck was built to cruise too, man. Nothing, you know, super complicated on it. 350 Chevy small block, Holley 4-barrel, 350 automatic trans. It's got a Mustang II tubular front suspension on it. I think it's a Heights, if I remember correctly. But it's definitely Mustang II. Power rack and pinion steering. It's got, you can see it's got the coil-overs down there all the way around it. It's got all billet pulleys and brackets on it. Ceramic headers, HEI distributor. I love the finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. Aluminum radiator with the shroud. It's got, I think it's Old Air Products compressor on it, chrome compressor, air conditioning compressor on it. And then it's got, I think it's got vintage, vintage air dials inside. Great truck, really hit the road good. Like I say, nothing crazy, no big cams, just got good sound. Really just a nice truck. Love this color. I've got some of the touch-up as well. I've got a little bit of the receipts on the truck. Actually, I take the, yeah, there are some receipts in there. There's a breakdown for what the second person paid, finishing the truck up. Again, dual chrome mirrors. All this glass is new. New door handles. Love this two-tone interior. And I've got some, yeah, it's got a real fancy radio in it, which is beyond me. It's got the directions in there for that. It's all Bluetooth and all that stuff. Really comfortable bench seat. Chrome tilt column, billet wheel. It's got, and it's gonna show. It's only showing like 90 miles on it. They said there's really about 1,500 miles on it. They changed it. This is the Dakota VTX gauge cluster. They didn't like the original gauge cluster that was in it. Custom center console. They smoothed the dash. Look how nice that's done. Again, complete custom sound system in it. That's all touch screen. It's Bluetooth. There's the thing you hook your phone to. Billet rear view mirror. It's got the custom kick panel speakers in it. It's got custom dual exhaust. It comes out here on the side. It is a 10-bolt rear axle, but it's got a 4-link rear suspension, and it's 4-corner coil-over shocks. And custom fuel tank. It's got the oak bed with the stainless strips in it. Very nice underneath. Really cool truck. Got a little sloppy with their glue here. See if we can clean that off. Again, seats really comfortable. Really like the way they did this in here. Lots of leg room. Had some kind of plug-ins for the radio. I'll be honest with you, I don't know how to operate the radio. I tried messing with it a little bit. Oh, the wipers do work. We have new wiper blades and stuff. He just never put them on. Air blows cold. Electric fan, you can hear it rolling. That's a nice truck, man. I love this body style. Again, that all lights up blue. I think you can even change those, but tack works, all your gauges are functional. Again, the air blows ice cold. Nice truck. Hits the road good. I don't know if you have any. It's got a backup camera. I guess it's got all kinds of stuff. And they say they got power. I just couldn't get a radio station to come in. It's got a remote. I think you can Bluetooth your phone to that, Nathan. Again, wipers do work. He's got brand new wipers. Just didn't want them on there. Didn't like the look. Oh, they got a light out on the front. Hit that again? Yeah, we'll check that. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Good looking truck.